So it's been an interesting morning. My idea is I'm gonna be doing some vlogs for Mommy Edition. Just like, I guess, the day of my life kind of vid. So currently I am I'm importing some some footage so I can edit them and then hopefully post them, either post this video tomorrow or the next day. I haven't decided just yet. I did a video on this look right here. So I did a video on that, doing my face and stuff. So I currently got that loading. It's taking a while. And then my baby's taking a nap, so that's what he's doing. I'm trying to get like I've been like on his schedule, but the only thing is he will either take a nap at 11, 12, or 1. So it's like those hours, like when it comes to around like that time, I'm just like, all right, I want to go do some other stuff. Like I want to record, that way I can have some content and stuff. So it's getting like a little, it's just the key of just waiting, just the time and stuff. So but he's taking a nap now and he should be waking up soon. He usually takes like an hour nap. But yeah, there's my stuff. How cute are these pampas grass? It's just a total vibe. I need to buy more bunny tails and stuff. And then I got this vase from HomeGoods. Such a good buy. I found the set there. And then I gotta show you guys, I have this mirror that I had hanging. Oh my gosh, I had this mirror hanging in my son's room, but then we put a TV in there, so we took it down, and so now I'm planning on putting it, let me show you guys. Here is the mirror right there. How cute, with like the wood accent and stuff. I'm planning on putting it maybe like right here. I really want to get rid of these little paintings and stuff. I'm kind of like over it. I feel like that was just a thing Ross was selling. I really like this one. This one's like very pretty, the tones and stuff. I still want to put a different frame, just like a black frame with something like, I don't know, more aesthetically pleasing, I guess, or just, I don't know, just something different. I'm kind of just over, especially over these two. But anyways, I have to cook later. I need to do some cleaning and stuff, so I'll probably just have you guys come along with me and everything. So that's pretty much today's vibe. This is the room that I'm in, is like still a mess, but I have all my crafts and stuff. Like, look, this is just horrendous. Like I have my makeup mixed with my crafts and just like, ugh. Then over here I have I have, when I did that one video of my haul, so I got all this stuff hanging up. Got my fedora hat. Y'all, if you guys love fedora hats, check out Forever 21. They have some cute fedora hats for like $17, $18. Now I'm kind of thinking I should have bought that. It was like a cream kind of white color fedora hat, and it had like a brown band around it. That was super duper cute. But I didn't get it though. I just got other stuff that I showed you in my vlog, in my last video that I did. But yeah, other than that, I'm just chilling. Yeah. Welcome to the Mommy Edition, when you try to get stuff done within 1 hour. May the odds be forever in your favor. rice going in my Ninja Foodi. And then I'm making some chuletas. So that's just the juice and all that stuff that pretty much made. And then the beans and potatoes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I really should have made some veggies, but this is what I got. Time to eat. Of a snippet of my day. I feel like I was less productive today, but hopefully tomorrow will be a little more productive. Gotta clean some stuff up and get rid of things and everything. But as you see, we just ate and everything. So good. Are any of you guys like this where you finish eating and then you want a cup of coffee? Oh my God, what is this? You like want a cup of coffee, because that's how I am. So I just made me a cup of coffee, and it came out so bomb. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, so I'm super excited to drink this because I feel like I just need some coffee. And yeah, so I'm just gonna chill out. Later on I gotta finish the rest of the dishes from the cooking I just did and stuff. And so yeah, I'm just gonna chill out. Yeah, so hopefully if you guys enjoy this type of videos with the time lapse and stuff, let me know. Hopefully some interesting things will be happening soon, or if I go shopping or whatever, or just going out in general, I'll be sure to record it and stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you do like these types of videos, and also before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next vlog and video. Bye guys.